channel, D-LOTSHOW African Fashion and Styles. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my Facebook or on my Instagram page, African Fashion and Styles. That's where you have different styles, your own one-bed designs and all. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to cut and stitch the cowl neck top. As you can see on the screen, that's what I'll be doing for today. So let's get straight to business on how to cut and stitch. As you can see, I already marked out the key lines, the shoulder slants, the armhole, the bust line and the waist line. This is a free top, so you don't really need the hip measurement and the and it is a sleeveless. So the first thing you do is just to take the bust measurement, the length, the shoulder and all. So on this, the shoulder measurement is a 15, which I already marked out, adding ½ inch to it for seam allowance, and then the bust is 44, adding 1 inch for seam allowance, and then of course the waist measurements as well, and then the length. So on the neckline, I will be using 3 inch to take the neckline, just curve and then cut out. The first thing you do is to cut out the back panel. You cut out the back panel first before using it to cut the front panel because of the cowl neck design. So in order to get the front panel, you just pick your fabric, fold into two, make it a triangle shape as if you are cutting your flare, and then pick the back panel, just place on it like so. In order to get the cowl neck, you need 6 to 7 inches of the front. So you just pick and then lay on top. I hope you guys are seeing it. This way. So you mark out 6 or 7 inches. This is 6 inches now. Okay, you can decide to add to it, depends on how fuller you want the cowl neck to look like. So you just place it like triangular shape again. You can see the way it is now. This is the extra we are adding to the front panel. This is the back panel. You can see this is the extra now. This is how you place or you lap on top. This is the extra we are adding now. So what you do next is this. You take your tape from the neckline upwards. Okay, you can take 4 inches, you can take 5 inches, and then mark like so. This is the shape, and then give it a curve shape like this, just like so, and then cut out. So that's it. So what you do next is to open and then pin shoulder to shoulder. So let's see what we have here. This is the neckline. This is just the neckline. So this will be the turning for the front. Before, I will now use the bias stripe to round the neckline. So let's see what we have. So the first thing I will do is to join shoulder to shoulder, then use bias stripe to round the neckline. I'm through with the cutting and stitching. You can see the way it comes out so beautiful. The cowl neck top. Please, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. I will see you on my next tutorial. Please stay safe. Bye-bye.